How to use Pay Later on Agoda. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is open the Agoda app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Agoda account. Now here, on what you want to pay later. So here let me tap on the hotels for now. The procedure is same for everything. Now all you have to do is check on the dates in which you want to book the hotel and also set the location. Once you have done all this, all you have to do is tap on the search button available there and you will be shown the list of hotels that are available in there. Now from the list of the hotel, tap on one of it. Now here you can see it has the pay later option available. When you scroll down, you will get to see some options available such as free cancellation and no pre-order payment required. Now here all you have to do is book the room you prefer to stay on. Now at the bottom in the green you can simply see you don't need any payment in order to book this room. All you have to do is tap on the book now and you will pay later on the area. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.